Hey guys, so today we're doing an unboxing video. So let me take this in the garage and open it up. Upon inspection of this box, I noticed that there's an inspection sticker that I never saw before, even on the box I got the other day um, from PR too. So this is saying that it was opened and inspected by the United States Department of Agriculture. So new for me, never saw that before. So yeah, you could tell they opened it there. Or maybe they opened the whole thing and taped it back. But whatever. Let me go ahead and get this open. Yes, it did come from PR, Puerto Rico. And I got it from a seller on Etsy. So let me show you guys what it is. Okay guys, so I opened the box. Let's see. A nice size. Okay. Not a bad looking tree. Not bad, not bad. And it's bare roots, so no pot. Have to plant this up myself. So which is most likely gonna be tomorrow. But yeah, just the plant itself, just observing it, it looks healthy, it looks good. I'm actually right now out of dirt, but let me tell you guys what this is. This is a ylang ylang tree. From what I recently read online, these trees get 40 to 60 feet. I'm just about to stand it up. Oh, it's taped to the box. They get probably the same amount of width as well, 40 to 60 feet probably. Growth rate is fast. The tree is native to, I think I read, Northeast Australia, Madagascar, and Indonesia, if I'm not missing any other countries. But yeah, it looks good. I will put the seller's information in the description. So this was sold to me as a 12 to 24 inch tree, and it produces beautiful flowers, beautiful long squiggly curly yellow flowers. It was a ingredient for the Chanel No. 5 perfume. That's what I read. And a lot of people use the flowers, harvest the flowers to get oil out of it, and you can use the oil for making perfume and scented candles and different oils, stuff like that. So it has a lot of uses. It also has a lot of beneficial uses as far as medicinal. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff you can do with the oil and these flowers. So I will be sure to post you know, the flowers and the growth rate and stuff like that when it starts happening. But for right now, this tree is probably 24 inches. So I have the max height that they're selling online, which I'm happy about, because I think I paid $60 for this, something like that. And if you check other places, it's way more, even at local nurseries, it's way more. So, you know, sometimes you could go to a nursery and get a deal, and sometimes you can't. So I opt to get mine online. Now, as far as the height and it being such a rapid grower and being um, capable of getting 40 to 60 feet, I am going to maintain the height by cutting, just try to cut the top off and see if I could keep it lower. Because they do have a dwarf variety. Um, and I don't know what rootstock they're using, but I did read for the dwarf variety that you don't, it produces flowers, but you don't smell the aroma of the flower on a dwarf variety plant. So that's why I didn't get the dwarf variety, because I want to be able to smell the flowers. Now, from what I read, you can get a mild scent from the grafted variety, but it's not as strong as what you would get with the seedling, the regular seedling tree. Okay, so this is a seedling. I asked the seller if it was a seedling or grafted or whatever, and she said this was a seedling. So, or sorry, I think he or she, I'm not sure. They told me this was a seedling. So, I also read that it's hard to grow from seeds. So, you know, you read a lot of stuff online and you don't really know what's what until you try it yourself. But this is obviously a seedling because I don't see any kind of graft point, and right there is roots. So, yeah. I heard the flowers smell like banana and custard apple and jasmine and vanilla and stuff like that. I'm looking forward to that smell when I get into my backyard and the wind is blowing and you just get that big puff of it. I don't know, but I heard it smells very, very good. And I also read it produces fruit. I think either red or black fruit or something. I'm not really sure. And they said it is edible too. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching and have a good one.